Hi, everybody. I hope that you are all doing well today, and I'm very excited because today is the second day in a row I have been able to log on to Facebook to do a live meditation. Dougie's napping right now. I'm not sure how long that will last, but hopefully long enough for me to share another meditation with you guys today. And I hope everyone's doing great and having a wonderful start to their week. I wanted to share a meditation that's going to be similar to the one that for some reason was deleted on my page or flagged, because I have no idea why it was flagged. This is very strange to me that Facebook would flag meditations with positive affirmations in them. But not to be defeated, I have decided to do another positive affirmation meditation today, and this one will be a nice, short, easy 5 to 10 minutes that you can do on your lunch break, you can do before bed, you can do when you wake up. You can do it anytime that you feel like you might need a little bit of extra grounding for the day. So don't have to do it live with me right now. You can always flag this or don't flag it, but save it or heart it so that you can watch it later. It will be living on my Facebook page, so available anytime, and also on my website at jessicakinney.com. So let's go ahead and get started. And before we do, hi Anna, good to see you. And if anybody has any requests when we're finished, just let me know. I just ask that when we start the meditation, there's no real rules. This is really just about doing what suits you. But make sure that you have nice straight alignment. And the reason for that is just that it makes your breath more powerful. It allows your breath to do the work inside of your body that it needs to do. It can clearly access your core. It can get to all those little dark spaces that really need to be opened. So just make sure that when you are getting comfortable right now for meditation, all you need to do is make sure that you have nice alignment, and that means strong, straight posture. Or if you're lying down, just make sure you're not lying curled up in a ball. All right, so let's go ahead and get comfortable and let our eyes drift closed. Just taking a moment here to go inward, noticing how good it feels just to close your eyes today. Notice how as you close your eyes, your breath resonates in your body, breathing in and out through your nose. Where do you feel that fresh, beautiful breath? In the rise and fall of your chest and shoulders, through your nose, just noticing where you feel it today. And letting all the noises and sounds just vanish into the background. It's okay to have a little bit of noise right now. Maybe you're somewhere that's busy. Just focus on the sound of my voice and let everything else just fade away. Noticing at this point perhaps your breath has slowed down a little bit. It's getting into a rhythm. Noticing how your body feels soft. It's starting to relax. And the space within you and around you feels a little bit different than it did before. It's helping you to create a calm, sacred space. The energy flows softer around you now. And taking your awareness to your heart, notice that with each breath, the tightness in your chest starts to dissipate. And there's an opening that's happening in and around your heart. A beautiful opening and softening. Just allowing yourself to just be. And your heart continues to expand. Just enjoying this feeling of letting it all go. And take a couple of nice, full, deep breaths in this space. Feel free to inhale through your mouth and exhale through your mouth if you'd like for these. And now returning back to your natural breath, the ebb and flow through your nose. And I'm going to read a series of affirmations out loud. I'm going to give you a space to repeat after me for each one of these affirmations. You can do that out loud, or you can repeat them in your mind, whatever feels right for you. Calmness washes over me with every deep breath I take. With every breath out, I release stress from my body. All the muscles in my body are releasing and relaxing. Every cell in my body vibrates with energy and health. I feel joy and contentment at this moment right now. I approve of myself and love myself deeply and completely. I can tap into a wellspring of inner happiness anytime I wish. I fill my mind with positive and nourishing thoughts. By allowing myself to be happy, I inspire others to be happy as well. I find joy and pleasure in the most simple things in life. In all that I say and do, I choose peace. I send peace from myself into the world. I am grateful for this moment and I find joy in it. I am free of anxiety and a calm inner peace fills my mind and body. I gently and easily return to the present moment. All is well in my world. I am calm, happy, and content. And now I would like to give you just a moment or two in case there's an affirmation or a positive thought that's come into your mind that you would like to spend a moment or two with. So starting now to let your breath deepen just a little bit. Noticing before you open your eyes how your mind and your body feels right now after taking these few minutes to advocate for your mental health. And when you're ready, just go ahead and bring that feeling into the day with you by opening your eyes slowly and gently and coming back into your physical space. Welcome back. I hope that felt really good for you today. And thank you for those of you that stopped in while I was doing this live, and to my lovely girlfriend Anna, I love you too. If you would like to request a meditation, I am trying to get back into doing these more often for y'all again, and for myself, of course. So just drop me a message in the comments and I will try to accommodate. And I hope that you all have a wonderful day. Please do me a favor and leave somebody's name in the comments that you think could really benefit from these. We're in a time right now where I think a lot of us really need to focus on our mental health now more than ever. So I really want to be able to share these with people who might benefit from them that don't know about them. I hope that you all have a wonderful day, and please check out jessicakinney.com for links to previous meditations, and I will see you all soon. Bye.